Welcome back to Sevenfold. Today we're going to look at a Rhino quick tip that I found extremely useful, and it's honestly hiding in plain sight in my opinion. I'm going to show it to you here in a quick minute, and we'll talk through how you might be applying that in your everyday practice. So let's go ahead and dive in. So just open up Rhino here, and the tip is you have to have the gumball turned on. And basically if you just use a curve like this, or any curve for that matter, as you drag the gumball, hold Alt to make a copy, and then as you're holding Alt, hit Control with it still holding down. So left mouse down, holding Alt down, and then hit Control. That's going to turn it into a surface. And then if I just turn that into ghosted mode, you can see I just got a surface right out of there, which is super useful. But it gets even better. If you have a surface already made, you can click that surface, Alt, drag, hit Control, and now you've got a BREP out of it. And it does delete the original surface below, so your surface basically transforms into a BREP. And then what's nice too is you can actually hold Control Shift and then drill into the subsurfaces of a polysurface, and then hold Alt. And honestly, I could do it even like this. I could use both axis Y and X, hold Alt, drag, hit Control, and now I can start to extrude just that one face in one direction. And now it's going to create a new closed polysurface based off of that shape there. So this is a really great method to quickly build up. So I'm just holding Control Shift and left mouse clicking, and then I'm just holding Alt, holding Alt, dragging, and then hitting Control while I drag. And so I've got Alt, Control, and left mouse all holding down at the same time, and I can just drag that into position. And now I've got a separate BREP. And if I wanted to, I could take these together and run, my Boolean operations because they're closed BREPs, and I can start to make that a single shape, But it's just a really fluid way to model. So, and then obviously if you just click once without dragging, you can type in a distance. If I have my numlock on, and then I'm gonna hit Control to deselect that, it'll remember the last setting. And so it's just all these little things that make modeling in Rhino so much fun. But honestly, you wouldn't have known that that was in there. So again, even if it's a curve here, it could be a nested edge here. So I can hold Control Shift, grab those two. Let's say I want to Alt and hit Control and drag off of that. See? Now I've basically just detached that that shape there. Hey there, my friend. Did you enjoy this quick tip for Rhino? I hope you did. I got so much out of this lesson, and I'm really excited that you're part of this community. Hey, and if you haven't already, hit that like button so that it really helps with the algorithm here on YouTube to get this content pushed out to more people who are looking. And if you're interested in more content like this, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're looking to do some more live streams so that you can come on the show and have an interactive discussion with me and anybody else who might have on the show at the time, so look out for that. And if you'd prefer a more structured learning environment rather than the YouTube algorithm, definitely head over to the BIM Academy. It's linked in the banner below there, https://bimacademy.sevenfold.io. Sign up for a free account or consider one of the courses that are there. There's a ton of content that's not only getting built right now, but it's available for free and paid options. So definitely consider signing up for an account and continuing your learning experience over at the BIM Academy. But I appreciate your attention, time, and enthusiasm in this video, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. As always, this is Tim Halverson with Sevenfold Design Technology. Stay curious, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.